Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana has played a vital role during COVID crisis. With the raging coronavirus outbreak in India came mounting hospital bills. In such instance, Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana has been proved as a blessing in disguise to the people with weaker economical background. It provides a health cover of up to Rs 5 lakh for 100 million families across the country, the largest health insurance scheme in the world. Under the scheme, around 1 crore people have availed treatment worth over Rs 13,412 or for free in hospitals across the country. Around 2,300 patients have availed free treatment in various hospitals. More than 41,000 Ayushman Bharat Health and Wellness Centers have provided universal and comprehensive primary healthcare facilities to poor people during crisis. In several states, health and wellness center teams have screened people for influenza-like illness and severe acute respiratory illness symptoms and facilitated testing for COVID-19, conducted health checkups and created awareness among people about the preventive measures like frequent hand washing, wearing masks, and maintaining adequate social distancing. Centers also conducted wellness sessions for migrants in quarantine facilities. More than 6,50,000 yoga and wellness sessions have also been organized at these centers. Government is making persistent efforts to expand testing and make treatment of COVID-19 available for free for all 53 crore beneficiaries. Call centers for 1075 helpline of this health ministry have been managed by NHA. NHA has a database of high-risk individuals. Advisory to beneficiaries of Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Yojana who are at higher risk of contracting and mortality due to COVID. People above 60 years of age have recently received treatment and have been vaccinated. Government has also set a target of establishing 1.5 lakh health and wellness centers by 2022. So, Ayushman Bharat Yojana is enhancing the quality and access to healthcare services across the country.